Once upon a time, there was a beautiful girl named Bella. She was 20 years old. Bella had soft brown eyes and long hair. She was quiet and loved books. Bella sat at the back of the class, lost in her thoughts. She didn't talk much, but she didn't mind. The quiet made her feel safe. In the front of the class sat Jack. Jack was popular. He was always laughing with his friends. People liked him and he liked to have fun. But Jack didn't notice Bella. She was just another face in the crowd. One day, Bella looked up from her book. She saw Jack looking at her. He smiled and it made her heart race. But Bella quickly looked down. She felt embarrassed. Why was her heart beating so fast? It was the first time Jack had looked at her. And for the first time, Bella wondered if she was more than just invisible. The next day, Bella sat in her usual spot. The classroom was quiet. The teacher began the lesson. Bella opened her notebook, but her mind wasn't on the lesson. She kept glancing at Jack. He was sitting at the front talking to his friends. Jack noticed Bella looking at him. He smiled again, but this time Bella didn't look away. She felt her heart race. Jack's smile made her feel warm, but also nervous. The lesson continued, but Bella couldn't focus. She kept thinking about Jack. Why did he smile at her? Was it just because he was friendly? Or did it mean something more? The bell rang and the class ended. Bella packed her things slowly, trying to avoid Jack's eyes. But she couldn't help it. She was excited and scared all at once. After class, Bella walked slowly to her locker. She was still thinking about Jack. What did his smile mean? Why did she feel so nervous around him? As she turned the corner, she bumped into someone. She looked up and saw Jack standing there, holding a book in his hand. "Oh, sorry," Bella said quickly, stepping back. She felt embarrassed. "It's okay," Jack said, smiling. "I wasn't looking where I was going." Bella felt her heart beat faster. She didn't know what to say. Jack spoke again. "I like that book you're reading," he said. "Is it any good?" Bella blinked in surprise. Jack had never spoken to her before. She smiled shyly. "It's really good," she replied. "It's about, a girl who goes on an adventure." "That sounds cool," Jack said. "I like adventure stories." Bella nodded. She felt a little more comfortable talking to him now. Jack looked at her for a moment. "Do you want to study together sometime?" "Yes. I could use some help with English." Bella was shocked. Sure," she said. "That would be nice." Jack smiled again. "Great, I'll see you tomorrow then." As Jack walked away, Bella stood there for a moment, trying to calm her racing heart. Was this really happening? Did Jack just ask her to study with him? The next day, Bella and Jack met in the library after school. Bella was nervous, but Jack made her feel at ease. He was sitting at a table, waiting for her. He waved when she walked in. "Hey Bella," Jack said with a big smile. "Ready to study?" Bella smiled back, feeling a little more comfortable. "Yeah, let's do it." They opened their books and began working. At first it was a little awkward, but Jack made jokes to keep things light. Bella laughed a few times, and soon the nervous feelings started to go away. Jack asked her questions about the book she loved. Bella was happy to talk about it. She shared her thoughts about the characters and the story. Jack listened carefully. He wasn't like the other kids in class. He actually seemed interested. After studying for a while, Jack said, "You're really smart, Bella. I didn't know you knew so much about books." Bella blushed. "Thanks. I just love reading." Jack grinned. "Can see that. Maybe you can help me pick out a good book sometime." Bella nodded. Like that. They kept studying for another hour. By the end, Bella felt like they were friends. Jack wasn't just a popular guy. He was kind and easy to talk to. Bella felt happy. When they left the library, Jack walked her to her locker. "Thanks for helping me today. We should do this again." Bella smiled. "Yeah, I'd like that." A few days later, Bella and Jack met again to study. This time the conversation felt easier. They laughed more, and there was less awkward silence. Bella was starting to enjoy these study sessions. Jack asked her about her favorite books, and Bella talked about her love for stories with strong characters. Jack listened carefully, looking at her with interest. Bella didn't expect him to care so much. He seemed different from the other guys at school. As they talked, Jack looked at her in a way that made Bella feel warm inside. His eyes were kind, and there was something about the way he smiled that made her feel special. "You're really cool, you know that?" Jack said after a long pause. "I like talking to you." Bella felt her heart race again. She didn't know how to respond. She smiled shyly, not sure what to say. "You make everything feel easier," Jack continued. "I'm glad we're studying together." Bella felt a small blush spread across her cheeks. She didn't say anything at first, but inside she was happy. She was starting to like Jack more and more. When the session ended, Jack walked her to the door. "See you tomorrow?" he asked, smiling. Bella nodded, feeling her heart flutter. "Yes, see you tomorrow." A week later, Jack asked Bella something that made her heart skip a beat. "Bella," he said after class one day, "do you want to go out to dinner with me this weekend?" Bella was surprised. She looked up at him, unsure of what to say. Dinner," she repeated. Jack smiled. "Yeah, just the two of us. I thought we could try that new place downtown. It's really nice." Bella felt her stomach flutter. She wasn't used to going out like this, but she didn't want to say no. "Okay, I'd like that," she said softly. Jack grinned. "Great, I'll pick you up at 7. The day of the date, Bella was nervous. She wasn't sure what to wear. She wanted to look nice, but she didn't want to overdo it. She picked a simple dress and did her hair. She was ready, but her nerves were still there. When Jack arrived at her house, he looked handsome. He wore a nice shirt and jeans, and he smiled when he saw Bella. "You look beautiful," he said. Bella felt her cheeks turn red. "Thanks," she said softly. They drove to the restaurant together. It was cozy and quiet, with candles on each table. Jack made Bella laugh with his jokes, and soon she started to feel more comfortable. They talked about everything. School, friends, dreams, and even silly things that made them both laugh. Jack asked Bella about her favorite books again, and Bella felt happy. She loved talking about stories, and Jack seemed to really listen. He didn't rush her. He let her talk and smiled when she spoke. By the end of the evening, Bella felt like they had shared something special. Jack walked her to the door, and before she could say anything, he kissed her cheek. Bella's heart raced. She didn't know what to think, but she felt a warm glow inside. "Good night, Bella," Jack said softly. "Good night, Jack," she replied, her voice a little shaky. As Jack walked away, Bella stood at her door, feeling both happy and confused. Was this the start of something new? She didn't know, but she was excited to find out. The next day, Bella couldn't stop thinking about the night before. She kept replaying the moment Jack kissed her cheek. She smiled when she remembered it, but then doubt crept in. Was Jack just being polite? She wondered. Did he really like me? Or was it just a nice dinner? Bella wasn't used to being close to someone like this. She didn't know how to trust her feelings. Her friends noticed she seemed distant. "You okay, Bella?" one of them asked. Bella nodded, but she didn't feel okay. She wanted to talk about her feelings, but she didn't know how. She didn't want to sound silly or overthink things. But the more she thought about it, the more confused she became. Jack hadn't messaged her yet, and that made her nervous. Did he not like her anymore? Or was he just busy? Later that evening, Bella checked her phone. She had a message from Jack. It said, "Hey Bella, I had a great time last night. Thanks for saying yes to dinner. I really like spending time with you." Bella's heart fluttered. She felt relieved and happy. Maybe Jack did like her after all. She smiled and quickly typed back, "I had a great time too. Thank you for the wonderful night." That was all she needed to hear. Jack liked her. And maybe, just maybe, this was the start of something special. A few days later, Jack and Bella met again after class. Bella was nervous. Her heart was racing, but she was not sure why. Jack looked at her and smiled. "Bella, can I talk to you for a minute?" "Sure," Bella said, her voice soft. They walked outside together. Jack stopped and turned to face her. I have been thinking about you a lot, and I think I really like you, Bella. Bella felt her heart skip a beat. She was not sure what to say. I like you too, she whispered. Jack smiled even bigger. I am glad you feel the same way. I know this is all new, but I really want to spend more time with you. I think we could have something great. Bella smiled back, feeling a mix of happiness and relief. I am scared, she said quietly. I have never really been close to anyone before. Jack took her hand gently. I understand, but I promise I will be here. We can take it slow, no rush. I just want to be with you. Bella felt a warm feeling inside. He trusted Jack. She smiled and said, Okay, let's take it slow. I'm happy you feel the same. They stood there, smiling at each other, as the world seemed to slow down. Bella knew that this was just the beginning of something beautiful. From that day on, Bella and Jack spent more time together. They went on walks, studied, and shared stories. They laughed a lot. Jack made Bella feel comfortable, and Bella made Jack feel calm. They were happy in each other's company. One evening they walked through the park, holding hands. The sun was setting, and the sky was a soft orange. Bella looked at Jack, and he smiled at her. Felt like everything was falling into place. I am really happy, Bella said, looking at the ground, but feeling a warmth in her chest. Me too, Jack said. I am glad we met. This feels right. Bella smiled, feeling a little shy. But deep inside, she knew it was the beginning of something special, something real. As they walked home side by side, Bella could not stop smiling. She was excited for the future with Jack. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share it. See you in the next video.